So welcome to the second part of this calculator tutorial, and today we'll complete this tutorial. So let's start, continue. So first we'll put another button which will be BTN clear, and so BTN clear. So wait, I think you can copy this and we'll print this, copy paste. So we'll you make a new button BTN clear, and so its text will be the normal C, and row 4 column equals 0, or row 4, and column span will be 5. Wait, actually we can give each of these a column span. So wait, column span we can give each of them 1. And we'll put this in everything. I think we should do the trick for the spaces between them. So, and done. Oh, wait, this, not this. Oh, and I have also put this wrong. So let's run and see. Oh, still let it be. So wait, column span, I think I'll put this between many spaces. Wait, yeah, so wait, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and same on the other side, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 So let's see if this is correct. Yeah, so we have a whole big button. Oh, and command will not be this command, we'll call it button clear. So wait, you can see this, you can see how this works. And C. So this is for clearing the display screen. So here we will set the operator to nothing and the input text to nothing. So def BTN clear will be, operator will be global as always. Operator then will be, and input text will be set to this. So let's run this code. So if we put anything, oh, I think there's some problem. Wait. Oh, lambda. We don't have to use this. See, so it's working properly, and now our only concern is the equal to sign. So we'll copy this and paste this. So this will be known as btn equal, and here the text will be this, and the command will be eval so done. So now let's define this command. Def eval will be, so you can see how this works. See this. See, 0 minus 9. See, minus 9, so it's working. So we'll put global operator. So the operator will be global as always. After that, evaluator will be a variable which will be a string, and it will evaluate the thing which will enter in the display screen. So, and we'll set the input text to, we'll set it to evaluator, and after that operator will once more become this, and we just have to change the coordinates. Let's see. Yes, row 5. So yes, let's try 94 divided by 8. See, 11.75. So it's working. So now our calculator's work is not totally done, because as you see, right, I'll show you. See, still it has gaps between it, so we have to fill these gaps somehow. Yeah, so I've got an idea. So what we'll do, we'll put some spaces, empty spaces. Let's see if, oh, one has become too large. I think this much is fine. Now yeah, so no. I think, wait, we'll put equal spaces on both the sides. So 1, 2, 3. I think this should be enough. No, I think we'll reduce it by 1 on both the sides. Yeah, so we'll do that to all the buttons. So yes, let's see this much. Yes, I think x for I think for 5 and 0 you have to increase. So we'll increase by 2 for 0 also. Let's see. Oh, one more space I think. 5, one here, one here, one here, one here. Let's see. Yes, and only for now these 4 buttons. I think once, according to me, one space for each of them. And then our calculator will be totally ready. Let's see. One space, 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 one space. Let's see. And okay, so this is fine, I think. No. Yeah, for 5 and 0 I think that's wrong. And for Cn equal to, so 5 will increase 1. I think for 5 this side, let's see. Yeah, this has worked for 5 at least, and I think there can be one on this side. No, wait, one here. I think now this should be correct. Yes, so here we have our whole calculator. So let's try 12, 13 into 8, 104, 94, 50, 21, 6, 7 into 8. See, it's giving us answers. 9, 4, 3, 8, 7 to the power 3, 4, 9, 8. See, so here we have, oh, huge number. So thank you for seeing this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, goodbye.